Hi Leos, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do your general reading from 28th of September till 4th of October. Alright, and we will see what are the guidance messages for you in the coming week. So let's see what is there for my Leos in the coming week. So for those who are new to my channel, a warm welcome to you all, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification icon as well, so that you will be able to get updated about my latest videos. And this is a general reading. It might or might not resonate with all of you. Alright, so let's see what is there for my Leos in the coming week, that is from 28th till 4th of October. Please. So I'll be looking at your past, present and future energies over here. Okay. Okay, so at the back of the deck it's the Three of Cups. So I'm seeing some kind of, you know, that moment of celebration over here, because it's time to celebrate. It's time to celebrate your love life, your future. Basically, I'm really getting those vibes of new love over here, where you have found the one, the soulmate of your life. Okay, so the past energies are Eight of Pentacles, Five of Wands and Queen of Swords. So I'm seeing you made yourself busy in work in your past energies. There were things not going well in your life. You were involved in petty issues. You were involved in some kind of, arguments and decision making problems. And that is why, your energies, you were alone in your past. You were thinking practically. Everything was like my rules. It's my life, it's my rules. You were working for something, studying day and night for a competition to win an examination. That is what I'm seeing in your past. You were determined. You were applying your efforts on your work, on yourself, basically. Okay, your present energies are Ace of Pentacles, Two of Cups and Knight of Cups. So all of a sudden something happened. Somebody offered you something very stable. This might be love, a new love, with the Two of Cups and the Knight of Cups, the soulmate of your life over here. So this person of yours is like, you are getting involved with someone, and this is really beautiful energy with the Two of Cups over here, I won't lie. And that is why you are happy being in this moment. See, this is such a beautiful card. See how happy these ladies are. So you are also celebrating the life, the new life, which is actually offered by the universe for you. Your future cards are Queen of Wands, Seven of Wands and Four of Wands. A lot of Wands energy, a lot of action oriented energy. So you're taking time at present. You are actually trying to get know this person, to get know this relationship, how this relationship will work, will it last forever, because you have seen a lot of bad things in your past, and you are the one, you have started taking the decisions in a practical way, and you are not the type of a person who is just like, love is everything for me, love is in the air. No, love is in the air, love is important to you, but it's you also who is important to yourself. So in your future, I'm seeing that you are glowing. See the Queen of Wands, this is you, Leo. You are glowing, you are cherishing, you are in that stage where love is important, your career is important, and the person with whom you are actually there, that person also is, he or she, this person is giving weightage to you and your work as well. So That is what, because you are standing on your grounds in your future energies, and you are happy. Very beautiful energies, Leo, today. Let's see why the Three of Cups is here. Queen of Rods again, with the Ace of Pentacles again. What else do we have? With the Four of Cups. Okay, so this new love, you were not ready for this thing before. Okay, if this is a new love or any situation, this is, if this is love, you were not ready to accept this person. You were not ready because you were in your energies, you were in your spark, you were the talk of the town, you were the one who everyone was wanting, and that is why you were happy with your life. So you were rejecting, you were like no, and you might be even rejecting right now as well, because the things are really happening this way. You know, the offer is coming towards you, somebody wants you to be happy as well, so somebody is there to care for you, somebody is actually here to fill your heart, you know, that soulmate energy, you know, your better half, your better half partner, whatever we say. So you are actually looking towards this person, but you are not looking towards this person, this person is looking towards you. That way you are actually kind of still rejecting. You are in that, you know, I know that I want someone, but still my work is there, I have a lot of work to do. What can I do? How can I just continue with this person just like this? Okay, so the past energies, I don't feel like clarifying your past energies, because you are working a lot, you are putting a lot of efforts, you are busy in your work, you are just working. Okay, it's more about those areas of life where you don't even have time to think about other things in your life. It's all about money, it's all about the practical approach, it's all about competition, many things. Okay, that was about your past. Let's see your present energies. Let's see why is this Ace of Pentacles is over here. Okay, not this one, sorry. Why the Ace of Pentacles is here? The Devil and Four of Wands, the Five of Wands. All right, so so you are trying to analyze that whether this new offer is a permanent one or the temporary one, because the devil is basically about the temporary situations. It's more about lust, so you are trying to understand whether it is lust or love. So that is why more complications are coming up. You know, you might be fighting with this person as well, because you are not ready to accept this offer, this beautiful offer. I'm really getting it, but still you are analyzing, and that is really good at your part, because you cannot just say yes, you cannot just be, you know, you can just not fully trust anyone just like this. Let's see why this Knight of Cups is here in your present energies. Okay, this might be a person from the past as well, because this person has worked upon himself or herself, you know, that karmic lessons which was needed to understand, because there were a lot of regrets from this person. This person actually you know, this person was in that stage where he or she regrets that they might have done harm to you, and you were not, it was you who was actually was given the injustice, and sorry. And you were the one who, you know, this person has actually, this person grew himself from the Page of Cups to the Knight of Cups. It was a journey. This person also traveled, but it was you who actually traveled more than this person. So that is why this person is coming again and offering the love to you, but you are not accepting it, because you are trying to figure out like whether this is the same person who has not matured enough, who is still the same, who is you know, everything was temporary before, so again the things will be temporary for this person again. So that is why you are taking time for this thing, and that's good at your part, Leos. Let's see why the Queen of Wands is here in your future energies. Yeah, 8 of Cups, 10 of Cups, and the World. So I'm seeing that still in your future as well, because it's about your energies, it's about you, who you are actually thinking about yourself for your future as well. So that is why you are trying to, you are still working on stuff, because with the 8 of Cups and the 10 of Cups, it's more like, you know, you have to leave some things, you have to leave bonds, you have to leave some situations to enter a new place. So this might be, I'm really getting with the World card, you are finishing the process of your learnings. That learning process is actually finishing, and you are leaving that process, because this is the end. With the World, the process is complete, the lessons has been learned, and you are going, whatever you went through, you're moving away from that thing, the lessons which you have learned, and you are going towards 8 or 10 of Cups, more stability. You are going towards that happy family life, and you are actually taking the decision, because the 4 of Wands is also here. So this is the family card, this is the happily ever after card. Let's see the 7 of Wands here. Why the 7 of Wands is here in your future energies, please. 7 of Wands. The Sun, the Hermit, and Knight of Pentacles. So yes, you are working, because at the end what you will do, so you might take time in isolation, you might not speak to this person for some time in future, like, let me just, please give me some time, give me 1 month, 2 months, give me some time, I want to analyze some things, I will take time, and I will not be in a hurry this time, I will not be, you know, in that rush, because this is my life, so I have to see everything according to my ways, whether the things will happen according to me, or it will be again only you. So that is why, because you are really, your energies are really different, Leo, because you have, you know, you made yourself like this person, you have made yourself so strong that you are strict in your decisions, you are stern in your decision, you are thinking that whatever I will do, I will do it for myself first, I will think about myself first, you are giving yourself the priority first. Alright, so that is all from my side, Leos. I hope it helps, and we will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.